Good day, everyone. Thanks for joining us here in the charts. Tune into the Crypto Flight Edition. Fellow competitive speaking. Quick video on the Dogecoin. It's continuing to go in the upwards direction, and it's literally sitting on that one level that we started, 33 cents up to 36 cents. So I'll just give you a brief update and let you know where I think the market is going. And just kind of a really short-term previous level of resistance, potential highest target that it can go up to here and potentially obliterate. So let's not waste time. Loyal family or Dogecoin Army, welcome back. If you're new here, please kindly join us and do your fundamental research before we get started. We're going to go over the price action only. So let's dive right into the charts here, shall we? All right, so today's April the 30th, 2021, and the current price of Dogecoin is going to be 33 cents. It's down approximately 1% for the day. All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. ASMR Interesting Analysis. Simple chart. Here's what we've been following. Yep, that's it. Ladies and gentlemen, just a very long, lengthy sideways consolidation. That's the date of the potential breakout, which it's probably going to happen well before then. But let's let the price action determine that. The range, if you're new, is really simple. I think Dogecoin is within this large consolidation range. 41 cents all the way down to 23.23 cents. Okay, we can actually erase these numbers for now. And this red line actually represents 0.269. That's a previous level of kind of major resistance from a 12 hours perspective. But what we're going to do is actually move this line up right about there. So since Dogecoin is continuing to walk up the stairs, then it's likely if it has like some sort of back test of 32 cents, like maybe come down here, 32 cents, it'll continue higher. Guys, I only have confirmation of, not confirmation, 36 cents is where I can potentially see the price going to. If it gets higher, that's fine. Of course, the box, you already know, the potential large consolidation range is all the way up to 41 cents. Let's do a really quick measurement from the current level up to the 41 cent level. That's going to be 22% to the upside. If Dogecoin breaks out right now, that's actually be pretty interesting. The way that it's shaping up, it appears that it wants to actually break out in a short period of time. I'll just kind of say that. But let's let this play out. It's still just kind of developing. Our last call when it was down at like 0.26, I said it'd be 33 up to 36 cents. So it's like literally within that range. Let's put a horizontal line. 36 cents is going to be somewhere right about there. So it's just kind of, it's beautiful. It just kind of came right up close within that range, right? And then it's kind of within this range. Okay, so I'm going to say that it's going to continue higher, and obviously it's a slightly down day, so I'm on no bandwagon here. I mean, if it continues lower, that's fine, but if it goes up, this is something that I was able to see through technical data only. Okay, nothing else. All right. So let's let this play out for the next 72 hours. I realized we didn't do a Doge video yesterday, but it gets kind of, overwhelming, guys, to do these videos. Not really much new information developing here, right? But that's all I wanted to stop and let you guys know. Those are the practical levels. So if you're in and out of this market, just know the potential floor is right there, or the previous level of resistance at least. It's 32 cents, all right? Up to that 36 cent level. If we didn't get a measurement of that, we'll get a quick measurement of that. 36 cents. That's like 8.9%. Let's call it like 9% to the upside. Assume that it reaches up to 36 cents. If you're not subscribed with us, please kindly join us. We go over the BTC price. I think that's truly important to understand the overall crypto market, whether or not BTC is under pressure right now, which I think it's slightly under pressure. Again, subscribe. I'm going to explain more detail about the video when we post it. So that's pretty much all I have for you wonderful folks. You have the range 32 up to 36, just kind of hanging out within that level. And that's all we got for now. Let's see what was it. Okay, so the stochastics are, the RSI isn't in the oversold region, so this is actually pretty good. Above the 70 right there. Yeah, it's not even close, guys. So that means there should be a lot more momentum. There's a lot more room to move up. So, I mean, if you see some very aggressive moves to the upside, that just simply means there's more room on the RSI there. The 70 level, if you're new, this red line, when it breaks above that red line, it's in the regions where it's too many people, well, not too many, but there's a lot of buying in Dogecoin, and at some point it's going to have a cool off and potentially have a very severe retracement to the downside if it gets above the 70 level. But right now it's not even close to that level. It's kind of close, but it hasn't come up to that level yet. And again, that's an indication that the markets may have more upside potential from the current level. Okay, so if it goes up, that'll be perfectly in line with what I'm seeing here in the charts. Okay. So that's it, guys. Hopefully you're doing well. Let's go ahead and cut it out here. If you're new, before you go, I'd like to offer you more information to the pertaining to the traditional stocks if you're into that. So kind of subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll send you that information when it is available. And once again, ladies and gentlemen, I just want to thank you for your time. Thanks for stopping out with us. So be sure to stay tuned to our next Dogecoin brief update. And I'll talk to you, ladies and gentlemen, very soon. Take care of yourselves, protect your portfolio, execute your strategies, and bye for now, guys.